You see, a lot of times we seek happiness within the eyes of someone, but happiness is a light that shines from within. Yeah. Only your heart knows the difference. She loves your smile. She loves your company. Anything to make it work. Now she is like your shadow. Batman's girl, yes. Batman's girl. She's always there for you. She fell in love with your soul. Batman's girl, Batman's girl, Batman's girl. Her friends, her family prays for her daily. Hola, Keisha. Keisha. What you doing, sir, Keisha?
What do you mean what you doing, sir?
Keisha, I'm tell you this, Keisha. I'm a pitney there.
Which pitney?
What you mean, say which pitney, Keisha?
Yeah, mine a pitney.
What you mean, say my man a pitney? I don't send money when I can, Keisha. I don't know, say thing go.
My pitney alright.
We pitney alright, so that no?
No, my pitney alright.
So because me not did it every day, that means say I don't mind pitney again?
I know you're a pitney.
Alright, Keisha, here we go. See, me a call her because it's about time now. You understand, say we need to get back together. You understand me? I don't want no joke thing. Because I guess I know, you see me like catch your hat right there, so. You understand? Just to make sure so I can fit in a your perspective. You understand me, I say, Keisha?
Get
so,
back together. Look how long me tell us me and you done.
What do you mean, so we done? We can't done.
We done.
Wait, say, me not fit the standard. That you tell me?
But there with a bad man now.
We...
Look how long me tell us we done.
Keisha, we can't done, Keisha.
Let me live my life now.
What do you mean live a life? Me I make you live a life, of course. But you need to live a life with me. And me and you need to live life together. Which bad man that you talk about?
There with a bad man.
Why bad man here? Because no bad man in the place. I mean only bad man in the place.
That's how you feel? But there bad man and him run around as a Lucas.
You there with Lucas?
Yes.
Lucas from...
Yeah. Tell you a bad man, I want.
Mama, really Lucas I get it from, Mama. And Lucas I make I get it from now. I can't believe that. Out of everybody else, except yeah, I can't live with that.
Right, you know, allow me make me live my life.
Yo, me tell you something, Lucas shoot off of me, you know. Lucas shoot off of me round so. What me I try to forget is just a little work. And he tell me say you go there with Lucas. Lucas I get. Ah, jeez, I'm famous. Mama, tell me say a joke here, man. Tell me say a joke. Just look for me and tell me say a joke here, man. A joke.
I'm a man.
You're a man now? You know say Lucas have a woman now?
I don't care.
You don't care? Lucas have a brown man, you know? So you have to go bleach to step up to your thing if that's the case. You want to live in yard. Where you live? You live with him? Eh?
I go and come.
What do you mean you go and come? You go? Eh? What do you mean say you go and come? What kind of go and come business?
I know him brown man because she threatened me the other day.
She threatened you?
Yeah.
Somebody can call me. I'm me supposed to be the one for defend you know. I bet you call him. You call him?
Yeah, I tell him everything already.
Jeez, I'm pretty much. Alright, you
he said that can't mash up a relationship.
So that you really are that they say there? That the kind of lifestyle you want?
Yes.
Went, go, come and go.
Yeah.
Alright, Keisha. Remember that the life you choose. No? So when you pick the group, when Phil pick the group, and you know make me see him, don't make him feel like I'm me the bad man, you know. Cause you left, you know. Cause you claim to me a bad man. I mean, a bad enough. They Lucas. Lucas, you really there with? It's alright. Maybe can see me pitney one. Cause police may go call for if I come to the case. Cause more of see me pitney. It's like you go on like you know what I mean in your life. Me I call police, I make police come. Take this thing in control. You go out with the sex, sir. Call police and make police come deal with me. But I thought me call my mother answer. Yeah, mommy. You want to know something just a Keisha a while ago? You know, never believe that Keisha I walk on the street I go and like say him no want to live nowhere. Look here, man. Drive around, man. Go on like say no want to live nowhere. Because guess something now? Me I try to be a better person, you know. Me I try to work it in a one way where she can understand say I want to be there for both she and the youth. But she claim say the youth are not for me. So me even consider that also. Me have to go maybe take some DNA test or something. Yeah, that she tell me. So me don't want no say me a dirty man again, you know. I'm in workless and me not take care of my youth and all these things. Me don't want no tell me that. You understand me I say? Me don't want no do that again. So you understand say this is a route I take now. If you say new woman in that place, it's a new lifestyle. Yeah, of course. Yeah, Keisha says she have a new man and he's a bad man she want. And you don't never believe a auto, not even call his name. But Lucas in name, mommy. Alright. What you say? Come for dinner? Yeah, I come for dinner. Where you cook? Okay, alright. Alright, mommy. Me see you later, mommy. Alright. Oh, it's a Keisha she. It's a Keisha she. It's alright. Can't believe Keisha get Lucas in front. Alright. Hello, sir. Come check your woman later and I see what happens. Wait. Think you done? You shoot off of me? Shoot off of me? Yeah, pull out a little bit.
Hello? Where you get my number? Okay, sorry about that. Number that you don't have to tell me how to get your number. Anyway, me can't get back my bag, please. Yeah. When me fi come meet you? Okay, same place at the bar there, so. I don't question you. I just say for same place at the bar, because how I going to know you ask me if you come for the bag. Which part I going to come to you for the bag? Alright. What time if you come out there? Alright then, thanks. tell me to come for your bag, so I come for.
Lucky me get the phone call if you get the bag because you would even get back the bag here.
You feel say, true me I got church. A matter of fact, you feel say, church people are not all. Now we bust your ass. You think that you see me from the other day and they take away my things and I bad me up. Me afraid of you. The whole I want to take church people for idiot. That's why I want to change my life. You understand? Because you don't know me girl before me go in a church. Me a mad somebody, me crazy. Me no ramp with people. You kick me, you chop me. Well, tonight you not go so. Give me this. How you feel like? Hey girl, you know say me ring off your face. Girl, take it. Michelle, you can come check me over the park? Yeah, I want to talk to you. Hurry up and come because the evening I get late. Yeah man, hurry up, alright. You already there on the road? Okay, that's good, you're close. Yeah, alright, cool, yeah.
What fancy?
Me dear, I've got news for you.
That sounds like a good news.
Girl, I tell me, I gotta tell you about it. You know, say. Me get a phone call, right? And after the phone call, me ask the little dirty girl, God forgive me and pardon me for the talk in word of Jesus. But
Look like them and make you turn back.
me get mad today. Crazy, mad.
Radical.
Head no good. Sick. Girl, me go to the little dirty girl for me handbag.
That's right.
ID, password, everything.
That's my friend.
But when me look in there, she thief out the money. But me not care about it. Me get back my ID. Listen to me. You know what? She full of chat. I want a little dirty idiot coward girl for a long time. But you see, to me in my church, me just want to keep calm.
But you couldn't hold it no
But
longer.
me can't hold it no longer.
What you do?
Girl, just one time I chuck that in that face and lift up that off my feet and put it around and kick that in my body.
What you say?
Yo, I know nothing normal.
Christian get upset.
Yo, the girl get me head sick. Just kick that in my body and walk with
I
like
hope
that.
you lie you tell me nothing.
Well, look
Then again, the expression, you couldn't fake it. You
a long
could never
time me
fake
and
that.
friend, I told you not ready to come out of sin and me, so me I go give my life to God. Me change.
I remember say you bring me into it, you know.
But you know what? Michelle, me not understand them people here. Them feel say true you go to church. You are idiot. And then, you know, then take you for one piece of idiot.
She don't understand what you put on.
Liberty come through carelessness and me not play with people. Actually because me want change, but guess what? You know say me beat her up and me don't happy about it, you know?
Why you not happy about
Me
it?
not happy about it. Me just glad say me get back my ID. Actually the girl diss me too much time. Me allow the girl to style me too much.
Too much, man.
True me say me I go change my life, you know? And me not want to be the same person. And I want to be the better one and the bigger one. The girl style me. She this, she that, she everything to me that's bad. But me couldn't hold it. I swear.
But Faith,
Are you up in know? So you can't make no girl take step on you because then do it today and then get with them and do it tomorrow and do it again and do it again and do it again. So I'm glad you deal with her. Right now I'm mad and shouldn't pick up the body.
No say that. You know why it reached so far? Me have it to you so. Me couldn't take it no more.
You run over.
And if I didn't put a stop into it, this girl would have continued to do it even though she give me the bag.
That's right.
But you see the people them, we out there in the world, we not come in a church yet. They need to stop take church people for idiot.
I know that.
Because me, the whole of we a matter of fact, did out there in the world, in a sin. Me, left from out in the world. Say me want come out of sin and go in a church. And the devil send that girl to come torment me. But tonight, when me go home, me don't ask God to forgive me for go fight her. Because me never wishfully, meanfully do it, you know.
But I bet she never do it again.
Me never mean to do it. You understand me? But this girl provoke me too much. Me can't take it provoking. Every minute the girl see me provoke me. In take me bag, in do me this, in do me that. Me can't take it no more.
You must set him for
You know
you.
say, Michelle, me know say we are call me idiot in your mind, you know. But you know so when me see her in my mind, tell me if you go tell her say me sorry, say me fight her. Cause me never want to do it.
You idiot. You really are me. You mad? I should have made it there. I should have been there, because you know, it wouldn't be anything nice.
Me never, but when time we say we come out of the world and go in a church, we're not supposed to
Exclude me. Exclude me.
me and the other people then we want change with life. When we say we come out of the world, come out of sin, we want come out of sin. We don't come out of full yet, you know, but we they try and want change with life. Then you say when people come in and war with you, the devil send them out, we feel know better, we not in no argument with them, we feel walk away from trouble.
Send them back to the devil.
Me sorry say me beat her up and you did they talk to me and they listen. They not even ask me say if I chew me get it back, see that?
I'm glad you get it back. But talking this and talking that. You see? You see all the one Lucas? I want
How will Lucas do?
last night after me call him, you know. Him come up, cause me hang up phone on him. Me have to hang up on him, can't get me upset. He come over about sorry babes and me and the girl and nothing and him a try to explain. Me not make him explain himself, cause look here, me no idiot. But still, me a behave myself and me a go and settle until me get my facts straight. You see when me get my facts straight, me and him and that girl there. You see, what she do you and the facts say me suspect her now, what you tell me last night.
Michelle, stick up in. Stop judge people. Even though she take away my bag and style me and do me them things there. Me not like what you say. Me not hate her. But you see what you can't prove. Don't assume people like that.
So you're deaf, you know, you say me away from the facts.
Yeah, but you act like I say you want in an argument with few man sake of other woman and you're not sure what you talk about.
Well, me suspect him and me know say him bad from morning, so he must have do something. And anything when me suspect, anything me feel so go so, is he there go so or in here go so. And most of the time
Michelle,
you
Michelle, you listen to yourself? You say you know say the man bad from morning and you still there with him after so much years.
Because
and then I complain. And no, you go contact about it.
You know I don't. Because you look like say you call me idiot. I'm sick of me.
No.
I'm a one
Michelle,
go.
don't get me wrong. You are my friend. You understand? But when you can't prove it, Marco, me never say him and she no there. Me say you must can prove it first before you take up things in your hand and go put yourself in a problem. And that me say. If you can't listen to your friend, me and you no friend, me I tell you the right.
Babe, I want to go home. I want to beat. My body is scratchy.
A long time me and friend and me know so you're afraid of what you no beat from morning.
time I know see you shoot off of me, I know see under the influence. See? We have a pen. Pull on the pen, pull on the pen, pull on the pen, then shoot you. Pull on the pen, pull on the blessing. Eh?
I'm in what me already.
You know what? You know the important right now. Listen to what me have to tell you. Say. Don't make me shoot you, pull on the pen. As a matter of fact, stand over this. Over this, over this. Come on, know why you don't understand. Say, hey, I could have killed a long time if I want to kill you, know. The gun loaded. You understand what I say? Yeah, so listen to this. Your man supposed to give you even more money than what you think because what you have to what you have? You don't trust the gun?
No, put it on the bed.
Alright, I'm gonna seal the gun right now. See? So just relax. I'm gonna talk for a minute because we don't have much time. You're a man, they will feel me woman. You understand me I say? I want to understand what I'm going. Me only come and stuff to see it, me can't work out stuff for them. If you can't work out, you can't work out, man. Just shoot you and done. So tell me what you're up to.
No.
Eh?
No, that.
No gun?
No.
Talk to me, no, because seriously, me talk about
Just
business.
drop the gun under the bed.
No, the gun not going on bed. This is going to stay right there, but me I go keep it right there, just to have a conversation with you.
But if you have the gun, you're not going to have conversation with me.
Listen to me, I said, I don't have much time, right? I'm saying to you that you're willing to work and listen to everything I'm going to say to you because your man is soon dead. As a matter of fact, he's in a big problem on the street because he's not share the money. You get enough money? He's not carrying big money come give you. Eh?
I'm telling myself when I have because business bad.
I'm tell you, that's how I'm tell you, so what you believe. You understand me I say? Listen now, for your man, Lucas, him there with my woman.
Which woman?
My woman?
What your woman name?
My woman named Keisha. Keisha, one little black girl.
What?
Yes, Keisha for my woman. See? So I don't know if you never know before or you know. You sound like you know before, you know? You ain't know? Talk to me no man fast, we don't have much time, you know? Yes. So listen to me, want me to work. Because right now it's all about the business. Your man nah share the money. And if they gonna kill your man on the street, you not gonna get no benefit. So me I work with you for you get benefit for get some money.
You can provide security for me?
Me your security. Me can't be your security. All you need to do is trust me. Anything you make, 50-50. You understand? Me just want to know so you can work with me. I want you to get money and I want me to get money. And my revenge, me know you want to know what is my revenge. Because the man deal with my woman. Me want woman, me baby mother.
And your woman deal with my man?
Yeah, so you are going. Me I will give me a number. See? You have a pen over here already. Willing to stop me. When you use the pen now, have good use. And write my number down. See?
You write it down.
You write it down? Alright.
What time I can call you?
This, you can call me anytime. I work, and I chicken me a jerk. See it?
Put on the pen.
Call me.
And go on. Go on out back way.
You see, if you call me, I understand you're serious. My mom could have shoot a long time. See, gun loaded.
Me no shopkeeper, me no trust no man.
Alright. So, my name is Butcho. See?
Butcho.
Butcho, my name.
Butcho.
No, Butcho. Butcho.
Butcho.
What make you keep on saying Butcho? Eh? A Butcho, I say, I'm the one.
Alright.
You see, a lot of times we seek happiness within the eyes of someone. But happiness is a light that shines from within. Only your heart knows the difference.
Yes, Faith. Yeah, man, me there down at the little board shop. Yeah, with the board gate. Just, yeah, yes, across from the gate. Yeah, man, hurry up and come. Me have one whole heap of something to tell you. Man, bossy, come. Look here, we can't hold the conversation too long. When you come, me give you. It's juicier when you're on spot than over phone. You can't talk over phone so then catch people. Alright, Miguel, alright.
Michelle,
Oh, go on, Faith.
you alright?
I see you reach quick. My God, you're never that far.
I said that again, me reach fast. So what going to do now?
One piece of hullabaloo in my house today.
I lie.
Me sit down and write. You know, so me always I make me little notes and so I make about to do for the week. Man bossing for me. I don't remember what his name. Buthro. Him say, "Fame girlfriend are the same girl we did lick you down pan road and take away your bag. The same one that me did run down Keisha. Buthro and Keisha did. Buthro broke into the house, lick down Lucas down there, come to me say he knock out cold. When me go downstairs it was true. Me say Faith, I frightened till my tongue grow here.
They no most frightened.
Right now me still shock. Me shock same way. Me still a tremble.
You shocked, you know, see me dumb.
You dumb struck.
Hmm.
Right now, me and the man Buthro, we're gonna try and make a deal to see how me can get money out of Lucas. Because it now go down so. Lucas really did a cheat for me with Keisha. And I must find her in a girl there. I'm going to broke her up when I see her.
Well, now you can prove it, say that same girl did it with your man. You see, if you're ready for dirt her, don't ask me no question, me ready.
So Christian turn back?
Hoy, not everybody talk about that, don't go there. Me and you are friend, and friend will always be there for friend.
That's true.
What me say?
Friend will always be there for
Especially that little dirty butterfoot girl there. We can style me and take with me back to me bag. She thinks I'm an idiot. Me get back that member say me did tell you. She think me an idiot can't trick me, tell me how in dash me bag in my rust. How what she feel like? She don't know who should they play with. That the girl there make me have to get on my wrong side. You know, see me tell you how me deal with her. Very rough.
Right now, me
I want to hold her man, you see. What you going to do with him?
No, you can't trouble our man. Because me and him, I forgot to start out some deal 50-50 and get money off of Lucas. You know, you hear me say? And who knows, we might end up in a relationship because she take my man, she thinks that this I go so. You know me, revenge is my best friend. You know me, forgiveness is a sin.
Yes, good girl. What you just say?
Me, I go take back our man, I take for take.
You go take back her man?
And I must find one
No,
for
me
you
know
too.
say me your friend.
Then you
A girl
teach me
miss
now?
you, she have to get missed. And you don't know say me your friend already. You see, anytime you get the money, it's another plan we have for that boy there. That boy there too bright after you sit down in yard and washing dirty clothes then. Pressing clothes, keep him clean. He might give you bun.
Hours and night in
No,
coming.
but you can't get bun, you know. Don't get me wrong, you can't get bun. But it's the type of girl we ain't go give you bun with. You don't see the type of girl.
She fever bramble.
You know what? I run late, you know. And
I
you
will care.
go up on the next ends.
Yeah.
So if I nothing call me, because you don't know, say, you know, me no play.
Because we have to watch back now.
Okay.
And we are ladies in the
If
street. We have to be
anything,
careful.
like that girl try to attack you, call me. And if your man try to attack you, call me, because me did it for you right through.
You
friend
put
for life.
You put on church and take up back badness.
What me say, friend for life?
Friend for life.
You see, a lot of times we seek happiness within the eyes of someone. But happiness is a light that shines from within. Yeah. Only your heart knows the difference. She loves your smile. She loves your company. Anything to make it work. Now she is like your shadow. Batman's girl, Batman's girl. She's always there for you. She fell in love with your